The world is evolving ever faster, with new technological innovations leading the development of mankind. How to take the customers as focus, create more value and less cost during the product's whole life cycle, and develop the safest, most intelligent truck platform has become Shacman's #1 mission. Shacman X3000 follows a positive development concept, realizes every customer needs, and establishes a new standard of high-end logistics and transportation. Great originality and value of design. High-quality sponge material sleeping bed. Upper bed 750 millimeters. Lower bed 900 millimeters. Variable air damping seat. Multifunctional dashboard. Luxury super soft material lining. Convenient sunshade. Practical sunroof. Large size airflow guide. Integral rear view mirror with integrated heating and side turning. Dual color front face. Compound headlights. Hidden type cabin steps. Alcoa rims. Unparalleled vehicle design. Cummins IMS engine, 345 to 440 horsepower, 1710 to 2100 Newton meter. Weichai engine, 375 to 550 horsepower, 1650 to 2300 Newton meter. Fast MT, Eaton AMT, Allison AT transmissions. Hendeman technology axles. FAG low resistance roll bearing. Independent lubrication system. 500,000 kilometers maintenance free. Fleet Guard air filter. Fuel consumption reduced by 10.2%. The most comfortable experience. Telescopic shaft-type gear shifting mechanism. Multi-layer isolation. Dual-layer sealed doors and windows. Integral foam floor. 4 locks in 1. Doors, ignition, fuel tank, urea tank. Cabin interior height of 2.1 meters. Chassis, ECAS air suspension. Transverse shock absorber. Cabin air suspension. Maximum safety and reliability. Past ECE R29 collision certification. ABS system. Dehumidifier and oil water separator, dual layer filtering. Gas pipes plus electrical wiring new layout. Side protector plates, battery protector, fuel tank, muffler. 1,000-liter large fuel tank, lasts up to 2,800 kilometers. Hydraulic retarder. The most intelligent technology. Blind area monitoring system provides 360-degree view. Lane departure warning system. Fatigue monitoring system. Parking AC lasts up to 6 hours with temperature range of 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Automatic windshield wipers. AFS self-adaptable headlights. Cruise control. Bluetooth. Multimedia button. Gear change reminder. Real-time fuel consumption. Eco-zone reminder. Efficient. Dependable. Intelligent. Safe. Comfortable. Shacman X3000, leader of high-end logistics transportation.